Assalamu alaikum friends. Good evening. We can see the corn area, the land of Bangladesh. It is a corn tree. We see the corn, corn flower, corn tree. It is a corn fruits of Bangladesh. It is a valuable fruits, the land of Bangladesh. The weather of very nice. It is what a nice weather it is in our Bangladesh. So we are very proud of Bangladesh. The tree is very nice. The line spacing and the tree is very stick and hard. It is a delicious food in our Bangladesh. The corn is uh, corn's foods. There are a lot of corn. Corn, the land of one one side and both side and around the corn, small tree, big tree. The weather is very nice. The sky is cloudy. The fantastic weather in the area. So we we proud of our Bangladesh, and I am very proud of my Bangladesh land, Bangladeshi people, Bangladeshi worker, Bangladeshi farmer. They made up very spacing line. The Bangladeshi farmer works hard and soul and hardworking person. I really like, I am really proud of Bangladeshi worker or Bangladeshi farmer. Thank you very much. Goodbye.